Oh, King Murray has this whole room tonight because there's no other kitties in here.
C'est bon, c'est ça.
C'est fucking bon.
Drowning him.
So if he tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. Fuck you.
I wish my cat would let me pet them.
My cat brought me a bug yesterday.
My cat scratches me.
It was still alive.
Show me the cat. Oh my god.
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb. No!
Man, shut up! Aw, look at them bonding.
Wash with the green. You sneezed in his face. What are those?
They're called my sandals.
Emotional, damn it!
Puss in Boots.
You ready now?
I have you now.
Mango, speak to me.
Safe, Black. Hold it, bro. Hold it. Safe, safe, safe.
Sound, bro.
Safe, bro. Good point. Curtis is here? Curtis! Get the f out of here!
Please never feed these popsicles to your pets. Look at what they do to my cat Ollie.
Come here. Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
It's just a baby.
But you still had to say okay, mom.
I just a baby.
Macaroni and the chicken strips.
My cat's been with my dog all morning.
Det bara får.
Your dad has
a fairy spying on my parents. I know, it's killing.
These are my 3 cats. 2 of them are extremely intelligent, and the third one is orange.
You okay? Coco, when mommy says stop, you say okay.
It's just a baby.
But you still had to say okay, mom.
It's just a baby.
That's right. That's right. Call for your mama.
What are you talking about?
Tell me you're in Turkey without saying you're in Turkey.
Why was there bacon in the soup?
I made it myself.
Quesadilla?
Ginga.
Go for it. Find out what happens. Push it off. Push it off the edge. Find out. A little far. A little more. That's right. With
Oh, Meow Meow, get up. No, he did. Oh, Meow Meow, I thought she was dead, man. What?
Behind you!
Think of things. Come on, brain. Think of things. Come on, brain. Be so smart.
Do you guys need a room? Here comes the bastard, motherfucker.
Do you think we can make it the whole day without you doing something bad? Did you already do something bad? Walter.
This family makes me want to murder people. Thanks, Clyde.
Got her a new harness, but she's too fat. I didn't measure properly, Panko. You're too fat.
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got no tail, not a single paw visible. I think that's a 10 out of 10 loaf.
Unpopular opinion, bully your cat back after he bit your ankle. Come here. Come here.
for that case.
Great. So.
It was a grisly scene. So I checked whether he was alive or not. And it was obvious that he wasn't. Oh, dispatch. I've got an officer down.
When your COVID cat meets your best friend for the first time.
Are you? At this time, you are sleeping. Yeah. It's not possible. Don't, no.
Say meow. Kitty, say meow. That's her, say meow.
Oh. What's that smell?
Come on. Come on, let's go. You better get up here.